Here we are today, changing the motor and the Viper Elite 4 barrels. So we got an error where it says motor fail. So it actually shuts down all 4 barrels. So what I did was I plugged out the number 2 barrel that got the arrow motor, and once I plugged that out, all the 3 barrels was working. So tech support told me it was the board, but my troubleshooting, I found that it was the motor that was the issue. So after I unplug it, all 3 start working. So now I know this is bad. So you're gonna need a 10 millimeter and extension 3/8 with a ratchet, and you're gonna have to loose all them 4 bolts at the back right here, and it'll be out. Here we go again. I have to crack these bolts. Yep. You hear that? There's a crack right there. You can see it right there. Easy. You would have to remove 2 pins. You just screw in like some flatheads. You're gonna have to remove those 2 pins in order to get the we call it the shaft off of it. Careful, don't try to lose them. Then you can actually pull the shaft off of it. Also on that shaft there's a pin. Careful, it slides right in. There's a cutout for it, and you can see there's a cutout for that pin as well. Gotta get that back in there once you're assembling that motor. Now we want to place that pin right in that groove of the shaft, and you want to slide it in the groove right here. So you'd have to flip that motor. You're actually gonna have to use 2 hands. So after we get that motor in, we're gonna have to put the seal back in. The seal, well, the spacer and the seal. So you wanna make sure it is turned this way. Notice the orientation, and you gotta go in this direction. Okay. Once our spacer and our seal is in, we could go ahead, put in our other components, and then we're gonna fill it, brakes, calibrate. We'll be good. Motor, you wanna go to that setting screens, motor setup, and calibrate that motor. It's gonna go for like 5 minutes. It should say pass once the motor is good. See, it's calibrating and the numbers are counting down.